welcome back to Moonstone Crafts, and welcome back to another unboxing, but this time it's not Diamond Art Club. This time it's an Evermoment, another custom of Evermoment. Yeah, I got myself dragged into the 11/11 sale on AliExpress. I wasn't planning on getting this custom anytime soon. I did, because I was like, oh, they all had this nice little extra gifts they put in. So I ordered it. I'm not planning on starting this anytime soon. So I'm just gonna roll out the canvas, maybe lift a little corner, but I'm not gonna lift the whole layer because it's double-sided tape. But I ordered it on the 11th of November, of course, the 11/11 sale. And it was sent to me on the 20th of November. And today it's the 10th of December. So not even a month. So for this time of the year and everything, that is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna try to cut this off easily without destroying it, and also trying to keep my address as a little bit secret, but I did a pretty good job the last time. I'm actually working on my first custom from Evermoment right now. At the moment it's going not as fast as I would have done before I got my full-time job, but I'm enjoying it, doing little bits here and there. It's a lot of confetti. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it up, because yeah, I'm curious to see how much confetti this is, because you guys may know by now that I do love confetti. And this one had a ton, this picture also had a ton of colors in it, so I'm really curious about that as well. I'm just taking my time to getting this off. And also talking to you guys to fill it up. But yeah, it is a large image again, so. And they have the new packaging, which is more purple. They first had the brown tube. Oh, it's so heavy. The brown tube. And now they have the tubing is also purple. There we go again. Evermoment gift. It looks perfect. Perfect shape. Here is the side to open it. There we go. Let's get some stuff out. So what did we got? We got this little Tic Tac container, because they said you got a free container on the 11/11. I didn't think they would just give you one. But that's it. I was curious about it, but this is just it. It's a nice extra, but I do have 24 of these already, I think, so I guess that's cool. The baggies, I love the baggies from Evermoment. I use them in my spares. They're the best. The washi tape, I got the blue color, which I already got one time, so I'm a bit disappointed by that. I have the blue one and the purple one. Now I have another blue one. And a toolkit with something new and exciting that they came out with. Of course, the usual stuff. But also, this is their tweezers. Evermoment, it's the sharp ones, so keep that in mind. Their pen, which comes with 2 squishies on it already, which is very nice. And just a 3 placer, I think. Or is it 4? I think it's 3. And a little 6 placer, I think I used on this. Just as usual white boat. But then we have this. A macaron, and inside should be the wax, I think. Yes, there we go. Oh, that's a lot as well. So this is the new thing they have to put their wax in. And I never had one of these macaroons before, so I love that it's yellow. I do like the color that I got with this one. So that would be nice. to use. I don't know wherefore, maybe for the Rex, but it's very nice. So that's in the toolkit. I'll get that out of the way. I will clean that up later. And now let's get to the rest of it. It's very tight in here. Because they also have a new canvas. They adjusted something about that. And actually they have a group on Facebook for fans as well. And they were saying that they heard the comments from people saying they wanted them to go to Port Glue. But it wouldn't be easy. And you know, that kind of stuff. So that's one. Just, it's so tightly in here. It's hard to get it out. And I actually had a conversation with Evermoment about this painting a lot. Because I wasn't necessarily happy that there was a sale going on the usual canvases, but then you have to buy extra pieces specifically for this size, and those weren't in the sale, so I wasn't really sure, but I don't think they understand what I meant, so I just went with it. Oh my god, don't want to ruin this, but damn, this is tied in here. Maybe I can open the other side as well to get the drills out of there, because those are so tight in there. There we go. Now it should hopefully come out easier. Why doesn't it want to come out? There we go. That took some... Oh, they have new cover paper. It doesn't have anything on there. That's very nice. Very nice. Let me put those 2P things on top of it again. I'm just gonna send in the other side. So we have some drills. Look at that. They look very good. And Evermoment only has squares, if you didn't know that. So, but the rendering on my current custom is very good. Very nice. A lot of white there. So they have their usual statements of the diamonds we use, their inventory, and then ta-da! It has 44 colors. And it has my favorite color as well, 154. That's the first thing I'm looking at, I'm sorry. So this is the pick. It's a pick of my favorite F1 driver, Valtteri Bottas. And as you can see, it's a 40 by 110. So that's going to be a challenge. It's a different size for me. I just love this photo. It's like, it's not just the car. It's with the speed and everything. It looks perfect. So take a look. They now have the scalloped edges. So you can see the symbols. Very nice. They look familiar to me because I'm doing a custom right now. Ooh, there is some other symbols. Can't remember what my custom right now. Ooh, that 550. That is the symbol right now with my custom for 154. So that's gonna be interesting because that's a round in this one. 310 is always a heart most of the time. So there is some 310 in there. Is there some 939? Did I miss that? No, there is not. But there is 823, which is also a very dark blue. So yeah, I just want to roll this out a bit to see how big of a size this is going to be. And I might have to put you back a bit so you can see. That's big. Also, the other side has some info on it. They still have the Evermoment on top. They have their Facebook, Instagram. Do they have an Instagram? I never saw an Instagram. I will check that out. YouTube. Apparently they have a YouTube. That's not a URL that you're just gonna type in. But I might, just to see what that YouTube is about. There's just some hashtags or QR codes of their stores. They have 5 at the moment. This is just 3 of them. They might have put the other ones on the other side, or they not put it on here. It's so weird to see it without the blue writing on it. I never had a double-sided tape one that doesn't have the blue writing on it. This is big. There you go. This is my bed. And this is a big part of my bed. It's long. But I'm very interested to see how that's gonna work out. Let me put you down again. And maybe if I hold it against the light, I would be able to see. But I think there's gonna be color blocking in this because of all the look like this red color here and the black here. They're all one color. So I'm intrigued. I really would want to lift it, but I don't want it because I want to put it back in the tube and, you know, leave it there. I'm just seeing if I can see anything through the light, like where everything is. Sometimes that's a good method, but I can't. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep it rolled up. I have faith in Evermoments. My current Evermoments is doing great. I have no rivers at all, so really intrigued by that. Do have to get it a bit tighter to get it back into the tube, but we'll get there. Let me see, a bit tighter maybe. I will try to see if it fits in the tube right away because I don't want it to go out. Ooh, almost. I'm almost there, guys. Just rolling it from the inside out and seeing if that works. If that wants to work. This should fit, but it doesn't. Just a tiny bit more, please. It was very tightly rolled. Yay! It's in! It's back in there. The next time it comes out, it's because I'm gonna work on it, but I'm thinking it's gonna be a while. So yeah, maybe we'll take a look at the drills. That would be nice, I think. Should be a little bit more there. Alright, then I know where my shot is. I'm just gonna sit next to my bed. Because it's relaxed than just standing up all the time. I'm just gonna get it out because I want to count it anyway. And I want to see the colors, of course. Last time I didn't do this, but I got them out at the end. So, because it's even harder to get these bags into the bags that they came in than the Diamond Art Club ones. And I know a lot of you guys struggle with that already. So. So, there's some nice colors in here. Ooh. This is pretty. Oh no, there's a glare. Oh. That's pretty. Which color is that? 3770. Ooh, and this looks very close to it. But it's a different color. So, I'm sad they didn't have any big bags of these. Because I know they have 3865 in big bags. I think they just ran out. So I have a lot of these small bags. It's not like Evermoment to do that. They are mostly from the big bags. So that's a shame. I think they ran out of the big bags of that color. because that's a very common color as well. Look at the orange. Very nice. 742. This is very nice as well. And there we go. My favorite, 154. Oh, I just love this color. It's so nice. Do we have any 3371 in here? No, because I have some trash with that in my current kit. So I'm just looking out for myself. This is 310. Let's take a closer look at that. There's so much glare. I'm sorry, guys. You do always get some trash in them, even with Evermoment. But you get so much. You get so many colors of everything that it's insane. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Looks good. I think I'm gonna conclude the video there. I don't think I have anything else to show you. It all looks fine to me. I won't get to this one very quickly because after my custom that I'm doing now of my dog from Evermoment, I would take a break before I would even consider getting into this one. But I always knew I wanted this one as a custom. So I got it because I feel like if you ever get any double-sided tape that you know that's durable for a longer period of time, it's gonna be the Evermoment ones. Those are the best double-sided tape ones that I ever had. So yeah, I'm happy. It looks good. I like every color that's in here. Very colorful. Yeah, and when we get to it, I can finally see the canvas clearer, at least. And I will hold it to the light maybe sometime, but I don't think I'm gonna get it out anytime soon. I think I will just keep it in the tube because it was hard enough to roll it back up, as you've seen me struggle in this video. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.